Today's video is different, not because the ideas are new, but because this is the first time I'm clearly connecting all the pieces. For the past 2 weeks, I've been talking about systems, leverage, and AI. Today, I'm going to show you how it all fits together. No pressure, no urgency tactics, just clarity. I made this video for people who kept asking the same question. Okay, but how does this look like in practice, not in theory? Not as motivation, but as something you can actually follow. Because information without structure becomes noise. So here's the core problem. The problem most people are dealing with. They don't lack intelligence. They don't lack discipline. They lack flow. Their effort doesn't stack. Every day feels like starting over. They are constantly redeciding, rewriting, rethinking. And that's exhausting. This isn't because you're behind. It's because your work has no container. So here's the system overview. This is where I built the system I've been showing you, not to make people work more, but to make people remember, to make work remember itself. And at the center of it is save. Simplify, automate, verify, and expand. This isn't a productivity trick. It is a way of organizing effort so it compounds. So let me show you how each part fits together in real life. So here's how the system works on a day-to-day basis. So this is how my workflow look like. I don't wake up deciding what matters. That decision was already made. I simplify first, cut noise, reduce options, remove unnecessary tasks. Then I automate what repeats, not perfectly, just enough to remove friction. I verify once a week, not every hour, not obsessively. And then I expand what works into content, systems, or assets. Same loop every week. That consistency is what creates momentum. So a quick pause here. If this kind of thinking is useful to you, not motivating, not grounding, subscribe to the channel. Everything here builds on itself. This isn't random content, it's a system. So I want to be clear about what this system is not. It's not a hack. It's not passive income. It's not a shortcut. It won't work if you're looking for speed without responsibility. What it does give you is clarity, leverage, and repeatability. And for the right person, that's more valuable than motivation. I've heard a lot of people ask, are you going to package this? Yes, because explaining it in fragments isn't enough anymore. I'm putting the same system into a structure format, clear steps, examples, templates, and workflows. So instead of guessing, you can follow a path. No pressure to buy, no countdowns, just something that's there when you decide you are ready. This is for people who are tired of starting over, want their effort to stack, and are ready to think in systems. This is not for people who want instant results, don't want structure, and also avoid responsibility. And that filter is intentional. I'll end with this. You don't need to become someone else. You don't need more discipline. You need a system that works when energy is low. If that's what you've been missing, stay connected to this channel. The link to the full system will be available when it's ready. No rush, but when you're ready, you'll know what exactly to do and exactly where to go. Subscribe and I'll walk you through it.